My name's Butch Patrico, and this is my 1941 Mercury Coupe. Had the car for about 25 years. It's been on the road about 13. Kind of had to raise a family in between and buy houses, so that's why I've had it so long, and it's only been done a little while. But got involved in hot rodding because my dad was a hot rodder from the 50s. So all the boys in the family are car people, and I wanted a car with a back seat so I could fit my two daughters in, so we could do things as a family. And ended up with this. The car was originally in Washington State, and a guy that was in the Army out there drove it back to Michigan 25 years ago, or probably a little longer than that, and I actually bought it in Richmond.
Oh, wow.
And I'm from St. Clair Shores. So a little bit of an area tie here. So it's nice. It's got all modern suspension and modern drivetrain and air conditioning and power windows, leather interior, AM/FM stereo, CD, all the comforts of home.
Too. I like it.
Yeah, I mean the color's got a story behind it too. I was going to the paint store and I was walking in and I was buying pints of paint to spray out color panels to see if I liked the color or not. And, they were about $35 a pint. Finally, after about the fourth or fifth pint, the guy behind the counter says, "You know, what are you looking for?" And I told him, I says, "You know, I'm looking for the right color purple." And he says, "Well, just what is it?" And I says, "I want the grape on a Welch's Jelly Jar label. That's the color I want." And he says, "Come back tomorrow." And he mixed me up a pint of paint and he hit it right on.
All right.
So it would have saved me a lot of money if I would have just told him right off the get-go what color I wanted. So it's
all right. Well, thank you very much.
A lot of people like the color, so it's actually a real violet. You know, and that the reason why it looks like that is there's actually a lot of red in that paint. So, anyways,
thank you.
Well,
thank you.
All right.
Enjoy the conclusion of the sock hopping swinging good time as the Memphis Singers finish with the fourth.
Just introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Vern Cummings from St. Clair. We've got a 64 Dodge 330. It's got a slant 6 in it. It's a 25,000 mile original car. Belonged to my wife's grandfather. We come out to the show. It's a beautiful show tonight. Nice weather. It's not raining for a change. But we really enjoy the car shows.
Thank you very much.
Okay, it's a 63 Thunderbird. It's a roadster. It's original roadster because you have to have the right wheels and other things that make it a roadster. Anyway, bought it about 2 years ago, rebuilt the engine, and I bought it in Florida, and then had it there for a while, and then had it brought down here, and this is where it stays right now. It might go back to Florida, I don't know yet.
Do you live here in Memphis?
Oh, I live in, used to. We live in East China.
Oh, okay.
We raised our children in Memphis.
Oh, yeah.
They went through Memphis schools.
Oh, yeah, they all did. So,
all right. Well, thank you.
Oh, you're more than welcome.
says hello, my heart begins to fly. I'm in heaven, I get carried away. I dream of him and me, and how it's gonna be. Other fellas call me up for a date, but I'll just sit and wait. I'd rather concentrate on Johnny Angel, 'cause I love him, and I pray that someday he'll love me, and together we will see how lovely heaven will be. I'm in heaven, I get carried away. I dream of him and me, and how it's gonna be. Other fellas call me up for a date, but I'll just sit and wait. I'd rather concentrate on Johnny Angel, 'cause I love him, and I pray that someday he'll love me, and together we will see how lovely heaven will be. Johnny Angel, you're an angel to me. Johnny Angel, you're an angel to me. Johnny Angel, you're an angel to me.
To get this guy's head on top, it's Uncle Willie.
Hi.
Uncle Willie's hat's on Channel 6. Smile, Louise.
But I can't
Roast
see.
pizza.
Okay.
It's got to go on channel 6 in Romeo.
Oh, we might be able to get something over there. Okay, sir.
What do you want to know? It's a 54 Mercury.
Okay.
I've had it for, I don't know, 3 months. The car was originally out of California, and somebody bought it in Michigan in what year, John? That they 87. 87, they took it apart to repaint it and reupholster it. Never finished putting it together. So we picked it up and brought it home and put it together.
All right. And are you from this area or?
Elmont.
You're from Elmont. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.